Welcome back to our channel 1 to Step, where we post tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you guys how you guys can add or insert picture on your Canva. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1 to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So first thing first, open Canva. And after you open Canva, at the side of the Canva, you can clearly see the text option. You want to click on text. Once you go on text, it's going to show you all these different kind of text. You want to choose whichever text you want. So let's say I want this designed text, which looks like a little game icon. What I can do is click on the text. Once I click on the text will be added over here just like this, as you guys can see. Now I can choose whichever you want, alright? So after you add the text over here, what you can do is just click on the text and then you can edit it. So I can change this up to down, or over here where it says level, I can change this level into anything I want. So I can double click on it and it gives me the permission to edit it. So from levels, I'm going to make it to glass like this. And just like this, as you guys can see, I have added text with whichever design I liked, alright? So there are multiple designs over here. You can choose whichever you want. And if you just want normal text, then you can just click on add a text box, and a normal text box will appear over here just like this, as you guys can see. And you can just type inside it whatever you want to write. So that's how you guys can add or insert text on Canva. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel 1 to Step. And a little bonus tip, if you want to change the color of text, you can choose the text box first. Once you're inside the text box, at the top you can see this little icon called text color. Click on it and choose whichever color you want, and your text will change color according to that, alright? So click on change all and your text color will change over here like this. So hope you understand. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe and bye bye.